Hi everyone, in front of me I've got FOSSiBOT F101 and let me share with you how to change this navigation type with the buttons to the gestures. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on gestures, which are on the second position, and as you can see right here we've got the system navigation, so let's tap. Before we will set the gestures, just a quick disclaimer, because here you can customize the 3-button navigation. Whenever you will decide that you want to stick to this option, you can customize it here. However, we've got only this option, hold home for assistant. Alright, so moving to the gestures, simply tap on this option. And as you can see, immediately instead of the 3 buttons, we've got the line which is responsible for some gestures. Here we've got also the animation of how to use the gestures. We do not have like a full tutorial. However, no worries, I'll show you how to use the gestures. We can tap on the settings icon. We can decide whether we want to swipe to invoke assistant and the back sensitivity. However, I highly recommend to get back to this option after a while of using the gestures. So you will be able to decide whether you need the back sensitivity to be higher or lower. Alright, so in order to get back to the previous page, just like by using the back button, you have to swipe your finger either from left or the right side. It works the same. So let's swipe your finger. You can see this arrow, so you can release the finger and you just go back to the previous page. And the same situation from the right side. If you'd like to get back directly to the home page, simply swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device. It should be a short and quick motion, just like that. And if you want to open the recents, repeat the motion, however elongated. So hold your finger somewhere here. And after releasing, you can see the recents. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.